You've got a query that's filtering on two columns. Every guide out there says build a composite index. But here's what they don't tell you. Postgres can sometimes use Bitmap index scans to combine two single-column indexes in memory, which can be efficient depending on the query and data distribution.
Wait, really? I always thought composite indexes were the right move when you're filtering on multiple columns.
Yeah, usually they are. But Bitmap scans change the whole equation. Let me show you exactly when this works and why it matters. Picture this. You're querying an orders table where status equals shipped and created at is in the last week. You've got separate indexes on each column, but no composite index covering both.
So Postgres can use Bitmap index scans to combine results from both indexes, but efficiency depends on data selectivity and distribution?
Exactly. Postgres can use Bitmap index scans as part of its query execution strategies. It can actually use both indexes, combine the results in memory, and then fetch only the rows that match both conditions. When the data characteristics are right, this approach can work really well. Look at what explained shows us here. Postgres runs a Bitmap index scan on status, another one on created at, then it does a BitmapAnd to combine them. Only the rows that pass both filters actually get fetched from the heap.
So it's genuinely using both indexes at the same time, not just picking one and filtering the rest in memory afterward?
Exactly right. The bitmap is just this compact set of page and tuple pointers. It ANDs the two bitmaps together, then does a single sequential pass over the matching heap pages. When both filters are moderately selective, this can be really efficient. Bitmap scans can work really well when each filter is moderately selective. Say each one cuts the table down by 10 times or 100 times. If you've already got single-column indexes sitting there, Postgres can combine them without you having to build a whole new composite index.
And I'm guessing that saves you on write overhead too.
Absolutely. Every extra index you add slows down your inserts and updates. If your queries are varied, sometimes you're filtering on just status, sometimes just created at, sometimes both. Two single-column indexes plus bitmap scans can handle all those patterns. You don't need 3 separate indexes to cover every combination. Quick aside, MyDBE's free health check scans your actual query patterns and flags exactly this kind of thing. Missing indexes, where a bitmap scan could help, and unused indexes you can safely drop. You get the runnable SQL, automatically generated.
So when would I still want the composite index?
When one query pattern dominates everything else and you need the absolute fastest plan you can get, a composite index on status, created at, can enable index-only scans, potentially avoiding bitmap overhead depending on the query and data distribution. But if you've got varied queries or you're on a tight write budget, bitmap scans let 2 simpler indexes do the job in many cases. The real trick here is recognizing that 2 bad indexes isn't always a bad situation. Postgres is smart enough to combine them when the data characteristics make it worthwhile. Connect your database at mydba.dev for a free health check. You'll get a comprehensive report across 16 domains, including missing indexes where bitmap scans could help, and unused ones you can drop. It's free, it keeps running every week, and you'll see the first findings in minutes.